Welcome back to the house, everybody. Well, actually, you guys probably haven't even left. It's been a couple of days since I have been here, so actually it's probably been close to 2 weeks. Well, maybe like a week probably. Maybe 2 weeks, I don't know, I don't remember. But anyway, there have been some things that have been done since I have been away, so I'm just gonna quickly go over them with you. So the lighting fixtures have been changed. We used to have these really gross, ugly, one of them was just a light bulb. The other one was like a really gross, yucky fan. Did your mom get these from the thrift store? Yeah. So Tyler's mom actually picked up the lighting fixtures that we have now from, I believe, the thrift store. They put these up while I was away, and they also put up the little like pillars up here right on the sides of the wood that we stained. And they also put a little bit of trim right here up at the top. So I think today, yeah. Today we're actually snowed in. We had a like blizzard basically last night. There's tons of snow outside. We can't go anywhere, but we are gonna be in here working on the house. Let's see what we can get done, I guess.
Yeah. Good luck. Hey there, chaps and lassies.
Do you like your house so far?
Yeah, I do. Piece here, split.
Where did it come from?
It's a piece of the trim.
Oh, is that bad?
Yeah.
Oh.
Didn't think it was gonna do it that easily. Anyway.
Hi.
There, covers our edges. Covering our edges. Howdy, partner.
The mic wasn't on.
Are you? That's no sound.
That's no sound.
Do you want me to do it again? These freaking curtain rods. Da, 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 da. Let's try it again. Da, 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 da,
I love you.
hello, baby. Hello, right. Sorry, you kiss my wife. My heart's on fire. You repeat.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here?
Good job now. Weirdo.
Oh, I need to do this.
Oh my god, stop the world.
It's coming! It's coming!
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling. You tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me.
All right, so our wall is looking really nice. The molding on the top and the baseboards, everything's looking really good. And now we're going to mount the TV. So hopefully it goes well.
Thoughts?
That looks good.
Thoughts on the height, and do we get lucky with this random box? Hey, wow. Not bad, eh?
It looks pretty good out there, even though it's little. But yeah, like it would have to be like, because we want it to be like, you know, in the middle instead of being like really close to the bottom and then really close to the bottom of that one. You probably want it to like hit the same spot.
Yeah, so it has to go up is what you're saying.
Yeah, it has to go up just a little bit.
Okay. And you're gonna slide these boards under that box.
Okay.
Deal?
Deal. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, under
the box, please. Listen to directions. You slide in. No, it doesn't matter because you're gonna have to paint this mantle all over again.
It's too high.
Oh my god, it's something freaking close though.
Yeah, I think if we take one of those away.
You know the drill.
Yeah, I think it's right there.
Thoughts on that?
Yeah, perfect. Look at that. Oh, do you already have the arm attached to the back of that?
Yeah. Does the arm adjust longer?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, let's just see if we can adjust this. Does the arm adjust out? I don't think it does.
I have a feeling that it does not.
Better work, or I'll be mad. Even close?
It's really close. Okay, so I think the mic was off during that last clip there. Sorry, I'm trying to hide my double chin. Yeah, so essentially the arm of the TV thingy, the TV mount, is not gonna reach the stud, which is where it has to go. So we're getting a block of wood. We're gonna attach the block of wood to the stud and then drill the TV into the block of wood. And then the TV will also drill into these, which is just more wood. So it's pretty much the same thing as drilling it into a stud.
That's right.
It's not just drywall that'll rip out, so we should be okay.
Yeah, it's good enough. Okay, now let's get it centered perfectly where we want the TV.
Should we measure?
Probably just eyeball it, but now I'm just gonna fit it a little bit here and just make sure I am in fact in the stud range. Okay, stay there. Stay there.
Stand by.
Try it.
There it is. Okay.
I don't know. Maybe. Probably won't matter. Might not quite stay the same.
It's like black.
Close? Because I can't tell you.
Yep. Okay. Oh, hold on.
Without it falling, right?
No, it shouldn't fall as long as we don't like hold it.
See, it's crooked.
All right, turn it on there, dear. Let's see.
How do you turn it on? Where's the remote?
There should be a power button on the side somewhere.
No.
I mean, we don't have any channels or anything, so it's not going to really show anything, but
That look good?
yeah, looks normal.
That was like
I mean, it's literally not going to show anything because we don't have anything to show, but it turns on.
That's good.
So to finish off the fireplace, we picked up a couple more of these boards that match the ones above the mantle. We're gonna stain them just like the ones above the mantle, and then we're gonna put them inside the fireplace.
devotion that brings me down.
Hammer nails.
That without my love for the ocean, I would be no one. No one.
Okay. Look good, man. You let it down. This is what we're dealing with.
Nice.
That's what it's gonna look like.
You're holding my mind in a tight grip.